What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to Alright guys, before we jump into this trade recap, do me one quick favor, smash that like button and subscribe so you can stay tuned to every single one of my new videos. Right now we're looking at DFFN here. Let me zoom in a little bit here. You can see that it is holding above these previous highs here in these 590s. So I mean, it would be a good place there to maybe get long. I would get long a starter position and add as we start to break over 550, and then look to sell some up here in the 590s and hold on some for that $6 break. That's what I would do. I mean, it's a low risk entry, you know. So stop would be 490, maybe an entry here, putting a bid out, you know, 513, 510, 515, 509, just depending where you feel comfortable, taking that starter position on and risking what, 15, 20 cents maybe. Yeah, just about 20 cents. So it's not a bad risk reward there. I'm not going to take that trade because I already traded DFFN and I'm happy with my trade, and I'm not going to push my luck, and I'm also in a cash account, so I do not want to tie up any more cash. I tied up some cash yesterday when I traded ABIO. I just tied up a little bit of cash, not much because I only had 500 shares now when I traded DFFN. And today I was unsure if I would get a chance to trade because in the morning I had an appointment to get to, and I did that, you know, got that cleared out, and you know, went about the morning and afternoon, got back to my platform, attended to my other businesses, and didn't even have my broker open, but I did have my charts open, and I was in chat, and I heard someone talking about DFFN, and I knew it was one of the top gainers. You could see it on my scans here. Let me bring that over for you. You can see it right here on my scan, DFFN. It's the #1 gainer at this time, up 68%. FTD is the next one, which is another one, a good one to watch. And ABIO isn't as good today, although it did bounce off of yesterday's highs, and I'll show you that here in a second if you want. Regardless, I wasn't sure if I was going to get to trade, but you know, I saw DFFN and I saw it right when it started to break out of VWAP, and the volume was increasing. Let me zoom this in. The volume you can see down here was increasing, and as soon as we broke through $5 here, we started to push. I put out a bid at 507 and got filled, and then I put out a sell order at 530 and got filled. That was it. That's my trade. I do have it live. The reason why I put that sell order was because we had this pivot here at 536, 535 area, 530 area. So I thought I'd just take profit in front of that because we might tap it and start to retreat back. And I was just looking to make one quick trade. I haven't been, you know, I've been out of the market for almost a week, right? I was gone after last Thursday and came back yesterday, Wednesday, had that real nice win on ABIO. And so I'm not looking to push my luck today either. Had one nice little win here on DFFN, and I am one happy camper considering that I just came back from that cruise, right? So let me get that for you here. So yeah, we saw that volume increasing here. I got long, and we had a quick little dip. Then boom, hit 530. I was on the ask, filled me. It continued all the way to what is that, almost 550. I kind of burned a little bit, but nonetheless, I'm happy with my profit. Let me show you this trade. Bring this. Oh God, look at it go, 570s. See, that's the trade we were just talking about. Remember that trade we were just talking about? That's exactly that trade we were just talking about. So let's see. I'm in here. 500 shares, cost basis 508. I'll show you my orders if I haven't. I'm not sure. 507 was my entry. Volume's increasing nicely. I had already set out my hard stop out at 495 or 493. No, 495. And then I see, you know, the action we're getting here, and I'm just looking to put out an order to sell, and that's it. It sold me right there, as you can see. Here we are. 508, and I put out my order on the ask, here in a second. Again, I'll show that to you. Put out an order right there, should be out, and I'm filled. That's it. Real nice trade there. Not bad. Made a little bit over $100, so I'm a happy camper there. This would have been an excellent trade. Remember, we were talking about this just when the video started. Entry at this 513, 515 area. Add at the 550 break. Sell into that push to $6. Hold on to a piece. Looking for a break over $6. You got that break over 6. Hit 612. So, well, 611. That's the new high of day, 611. So, I mean, you could hold on. You know, you got in here, added at 550, sold some, let's say, at 570, 580, sold a little bit more at $596, and then held on to that last little tiny piece, looking for that big extension move. Will it get it? I think it has a real good shot at getting it because that was a real nice chunk of volume. That's actually the biggest volume of the day, as you can see here, the biggest volume of the day on that push. So we do have a good shot here at extending. Maybe I'll take another trade on it. Maybe I won't. Not sure, but I will keep it on watch. And I hope you did real well today. Let me know what you traded. Drop it in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded. What were your entries and exits? And how has your week been going? It seems like the last 2 days, these small caps have been on fire. And we like that, right? Let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash that like button. Hit the subscribe. And I will catch you on the next one.